with the head. You can see the head. That's the head. Let's try it out. Yeah.
Flat destroyed beef, flat destroyed beef, fucking cruel.
Hello and welcome to Whisk Me Away, Lombok edition. We're on a trip in the Lombok with our friends and we'll try some best satay in the town. This place functions like from 85 or 83 or 88 or 90. Who cares? It'll be the best satay, at least as locals say. Let's go for it. Right, some pork. Kind of sweet, chewy. It's definitely like chewing gum experience, chewing gum style. Fatty and sugary. Tons of sugar in here as a sauce. Right, delicious. I would prefer less sugar though. Chicken satay. That's grilled chicken on a stick. Tender, super tender, nice, sweet and spicy. Definitely sweet, definitely almost caramelized. I'm not a fan of super sweet stuff, but you know, you receive sweet stuff, you have to deal with that. Like so, I kind of like this beef. If it would be salty rather than sugary, it would be so good. But you know, nothing wrong with it. So good. Okay, that's nice. Alright, so what do we have here is veggies, but not just veggies. These are eggplant with onion and green bean or something. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that. It's spicy and it's also cool at the same time, you know? It's awesome. I like it. I like it a lot. It's really cool. Like spicy, but cooling at the same time. I like it. It's good. What you see is they cook. They cook the duck, or is it a chicken? I don't know. But they cook it with the head. You can see the head. That's the head. Let's try it out. Yeah. Let's try the head out. It's not bad.
It was so tyrant.
I love the head. I eat the chicken from the head. Yeah, that's tofu with a sweet soy sauce. Oh, I'm still hot. That's hot. That's good. Goodity goodness. Oh, yeah. Just flat natural taste. You know, nothing wrong. Sauce make all the difference. It's cool. Appetizer. Yeah. All right. It's a nice feeling.
But the camera is still bro. At the microphone.
Enjoying.
Flat destroyed beef, flat destroyed beef, fucking cruel.
That crunchy stuff, just throw it into the soup. into the soup.
You gotta watch it. It's about she's complaining about it. She says the nail. She just wants to complain about it.
Salty.
It's not about the nail. And the
Oh,
guy
that's great.
is like, you know,
That's my favorite, I think.
She just puts it harder into her own world.
yeah, you gotta watch it.
Nice.
It's a classic internet.
Who nailed that?
It's awesome.
Who nailed that?
Yeah, it's
But it's not problems, it's details. It's
Oh, it's so my favorite. It's amazing.
Looking for a problem.
no, it's like, hold on. Like, so it's like when you're with
Here's the thing. What's the
somebody.
problem?
Hold on.
What's the problem?
Why are you discussing with us?
Beef is bad.
It's like, okay. Then you go to Kuta. No. I just don't like this place.
Yummy.
Kuta. And you're like,
That's good. That's really good. Let's try this super chicken. I think this is my favorite. Hold on. So good. Still too much sweet, but it's kind of cool. And sambal in the form of heart. Yes, respect, +2. +2 points. Chicken. Can I go along with chicken? Another bite of the chicken.